Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to finish the patch on the firewall cap corner, I guess. Yeah, so I'll bring you back in a minute when I get set up. So I got that piece cut out now. We get to start building the new piece to put in. Alright, we got that piece fitted in. Now time to start welding. Okay. Alright guys, so we're all patched up, welded in. Going to, I think my next video will be on filling in the not drilled in holes. I think they used a center punch to make them. That was originally for the auxiliary or aftermarket heater, and I'm not going to end up using it. I'm just going to use the factory heater because chances are it's not going to get driven when it's cold anyways. Thanks for following along. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.